Hey guys, thank you for clicking and welcome back to my channel, Just Ari. Another cooking video in store for you if you haven't guessed it. This time it's Good Friday, so I'm making what we traditionally eat at home, Sancoach, and I'm attempting to make dumplings keto style. So in my Sancoach, if you want to see how to make this simple yet delicious dish, keep on watching. So as always, I'm cutting up onions, peppers to use within that dish. So that's what you're seeing me do first. Chop, 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 cut, cut, cut. All those beautiful colors. Yum, yum, yum. So tasty. Now that everything's chopped, it's time to add some butter to the pan. Butter. And I'm adding some garlic. And then we're gonna add some peppers, onions. I'll let that simmer for a bit before we add our soaked and rinsed saltfish. Oh, I'm lying, I forgot. I added some chicken broth before. Just a little bit. And then we'll be on our way. Now it's time to add in some seasonings. My usual black pepper, garlic powder, paprika. I'm adding some turmeric for that beautiful yellow color. Adobo, some hot sauce, regular. And some parsley flakes. Now the magic ingredient, coconut milk. It would not be Sancoach without some coconut milk. So you want to gradually add coconut milk, stir that in. You're going to see the color change. You don't want it too watery. And of course you're gonna want to taste to see if you need to add anything, whatever have you. And it's gonna look, or should look like this. So good. And it smells amazing. Enjoy. So since my original side dish didn't go as planned, the dumplings were a fail. So I'm just showing you quickly what I chose to do as a side dish instead. Cauliflower rice with some spinach, cooked in some coconut milk, and it turned out awesome. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good Friday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.